Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Spadina Crescent is one of the most scenic and historically significant roadways in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. Running alongside the South Saskatchewan River, it curves through the heart of the city and offers views of parks, bridges, and the downtown skyline. The road itself reflects Saskatoon's close relationship with the river, which has shaped both its geography and its development since the city's earliest days. The name Spadina is derived from an indigenous word meaning a sudden rise in land, a reference to the riverbank that lines much of the route. This elevated ground provided a natural place for early settlement, and over time it became a central corridor connecting different parts of the growing community. As Saskatoon expanded in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, Spadina Crescent developed into a key roadway along the river's edge. Along Spadina Crescent, several of Saskatoon's most recognizable landmarks come into view. The Delta Bessborough Hotel, completed in 1935, stands as one of the city's most iconic buildings. Often referred to as the Castle on the River, it was built by the Canadian National Railway as part of a series of grand hotels across Canada. Its historic architecture and prominent location make it a defining feature of the Saskatoon skyline. The river itself is central to the experience of Spadina Crescent. The South Saskatchewan River has long been a vital resource, first for Indigenous peoples and later for settlers who depended on it for transportation, water, and trade. Today, the riverbank is lined with Meewasin Valley trails, part of an extensive system of parks and pathways that allow residents and visitors to explore the natural landscape within the city. Several bridges cross the river near Spadina Crescent, each playing an important role in connecting Saskatoon's east and west sides. The Broadway Bridge, opened in 1932, is one of the most well-known, linking the downtown core with the Broadway district. Other nearby crossings, such as the University Bridge and the Traffic Bridge, reflect different periods of the city's growth and infrastructure development. The surrounding parks and green spaces add to the character of the route. Areas such as Kiwanis Memorial Park and Rotary Park provide open space, walking paths, and places to relax along the river. These spaces are part of a broader effort to preserve the natural beauty of the river valley while making it accessible within an urban setting. Historically, Spadina Crescent has evolved alongside the city itself. What began as a simple route along the river has become one of Saskatoon's most important and recognizable streets. Its combination of natural scenery, historic landmarks, and urban development reflects the broader story of Saskatoon's growth over more than a century. Saskatoon itself is the largest city in Saskatchewan, with a population of over 270,000 people. Located along the South Saskatchewan River, it serves as a cultural, economic, and transportation hub for central Saskatchewan. The city is often referred to as the Paris of the Prairies because of its river crossings and scenic setting. The history of Saskatoon dates back to 1882, when settlers from the Temperance Colonization Society established a community along the river. The city's name comes from the Cree word for the Saskatoon berry, a native fruit that grows in the region. Saskatoon was officially incorporated as a city in 1906, following a period of rapid growth tied to railway expansion and agricultural development. Throughout the early 20th century, Saskatoon grew as a center for farming, trade, and education. The establishment of the University of Saskatchewan in 1907 played a key role in shaping the city's identity, attracting students, researchers, and professionals. Over time, the city expanded beyond its agricultural roots, developing industries in mining, technology, and manufacturing. The South Saskatchewan River runs through the heart of the city, dividing it into east and west sides and providing a natural focal point. Multiple bridges connect different areas of Saskatoon, contributing to its nickname. The riverbank is lined with parks, trails, and green spaces, making it a central part of daily life for residents and visitors. In recent decades, Saskatoon has experienced steady growth, driven in part by the province's resource industries and economic opportunities. New neighborhoods have been developed to accommodate this expansion. At the same time, efforts have been made to preserve the city's history and natural surroundings, balancing development with quality of life. Today, Saskatoon stands as a dynamic prairie city that blends history, culture, and modern development. Its river setting, growing population, and role as a regional center make it an important part of Saskatchewan's identity. For visitors, it offers a mix of urban amenities and natural beauty, all set within the wide open landscape of the Canadian prairies. Thanks for watching!